Imagine this. It's 8 p.m. in your cozy studio apartment, the takeout boxes are stacked, and your sink's a war zone of greasy plates and sticky utensils. Hand washing? A 30-minute nightmare that leaves your hands pruned and your back aching. Enter the Midea Countertop Dishwasher Portable with 6-liter built-in water tank. My new kitchen hero that's turning chore time into me time. As someone who's bounced between tiny NYC walk-ups and weekend RV getaways, I was skeptical about a no-install dishwasher. But after 2 months of daily spins, this white wonder has earned a permanent spot on my quartz counter. Let's dive deep into why this energy-saving beast is a game-changer for apartments, dorms, and RVs, and why you need to snag one before your next dinner party disaster. First off, the freedom of portability hits different. No plumber's visit, no drilling into walls, just pop it on your counter. Pro tip: keep at least 20.8 inches from your wall cupboard to avoid any awkward fits. The upgraded 1.59-gallon tank fills manually with the included spill-proof guide, so you can wheel it to the sink, fill her up, and roll it back. I love how it fits in my 400-square-foot space without dominating the vibe. It's sleek, modern white, and measures just right for small kitchens. Whether you're a dorm dweller dodging RA inspections or an RV enthusiast chasing sunsets, this countertop dishwasher portable setup means clean dishes anywhere, anytime. Now let's talk performance, because this isn't some toy gadget, it's a full-on cleaning powerhouse. With 5+2 programs, it tackles everything from your grandma's fine china to post-barbecue fruit platters. Hit normal for everyday grime, rapid for that quick 30-minute rinse when you're late for brunch, hygiene to nuke bacteria on baby bottles, fruit to gently refresh berries without bruising, or glass for streak-free stemware. The 2 bonus functions: auto-open for that satisfying ding and steam escape, plus delay start so it runs while you're out grabbing coffee. In one load, it devours 30+ items, think 10.6-inch dinner plates, mugs, silverware, and even those oversized salad bowls. I tested it with a family-style pasta feast, red sauce everywhere, and it came out sparkling, no pre-rinse required. The see-through viewing window lets you peek without interrupting, and the LED digital display counts down like a boss. Intuitive enough for my tech-averse roommate to master on day 1. But the real magic? That dual drying system. At cycle's end, the door auto-pops open, no more wrestling wet racks. And the built-in turbofan kicks in, whisking away steam like a mini hurricane. Dishes emerge cabinet-ready dry, no puddles, no towels needed. In humid summers, this shaved 15 minutes off my routine, and the odor removal feature keeps the unit fresh. No funky smells lingering. It's like having a spa day for your dishes. Eco warriors, rejoice! This Midea Eco Dishwasher is a stealth sustainability champ. Each cycle sips just 1.6 gallons of water. That's 70% less than hand-washing the same load, per my quick math with a measuring cup. Energy-saving mode hums quietly, under 50 dB, quieter than a convo, and it powers down smartly. Over 2 months, my water bill dipped noticeably, and guilt over waste vanished. Plus, it's got your back with child lock, peace of mind for pet-proofing, and leak protection, though heads up, factory-tested units might arrive with a splash inside. Totally normal, just wipe and go. Safety and ease seal the deal. The intuitive controls glow softly, no fumbling in low light, and everything's a button push away. I've wheeled it from counter to island for parties, and guests rave about the fancy auto features. Downsides? The tank refills mid-cycle if you're slamming loads, easy fix, plan ahead, and it's best for 1 to 2 person households, though it scales up surprisingly well for couples. Key features that'll hook you: no install nirvana, 6-liter tank plus portable wheels equals setup in under 5 minutes, ideal for renters dodging lease drama. Versatile wash warriors, 5 core programs plus 2 smart extras cover daily chaos to delicate dainties. Washing 30+ pieces in a footprint smaller than a microwave. Dry and fresh finish. Auto. Open door plus turbofan duo ensures zero moisture miracles, plus built-in odor zap for always-ready racks. Green machine mode. 1.6 G per load slashes water use by 70%. Energy efficient for eco-conscious counters without skimping on power. User-friendly fortress. LED screen, window view, child lock, and leak shield make it safe, simple and spill-proof for all ages. Top benefits to transform your routine. Reclaim your evenings. Skip the scrub, rapid cycles, and auto-dry mean 30+ minutes saved nightly. For hobbies, not hot water battles. Space-savvy solution. Compact design thrives in apartments, dorms, RVs, and boats, freeing counters for coffee makers, not clutter. Wallet and planet wins. Lower utility bills plus massive water savings add up to hundreds yearly, while spotless hygiene boosts family health. Stress-free flexibility. Delay start and portable ease adapt to your life. Run it overnight or tote it tailgating. Long-haul reliability. Built tough with Midea's rep, it's a buy-once investment that outlasts flimsy knockoffs. If you're knee-deep in dorm dish drudgery, apartment sink sieges, or RV road rinses, this Midea Countertop Dishwasher Portable is your escape hatch. It's not just a machine. It's liberation in white enamel. Sparked my curiosity on day one, kept me hooked through 50+ loads. Don't let dirty dishes dictate your downtime. Upgrade to effortless clean today. Ready to ditch the sponge? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and grab yours now. Limited stock won't last. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.